Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Classroom. Google Com and signing in with the account you'll use for teaching. Once signed in, click the plus icon and choose Create Class. Enter the class name, section, subject, and room so it's clear to students. Make sure the class code and visibility settings match your needs, public versus invite only, then save. This gets your class shell ready. You can skip extra profile setup now and move straight to adding people and content. Next, populate the class. Invite co-teachers under people and add students by email or by sharing the class code. This way you control enrollment. Then organize resources by creating topics, group lessons for clarity and post materials, upload files, attach Drive folders, or embed YouTube videos. When you create assignments, set point values, due dates, and attach resources, add a rubric to clarify grading. Once done, use the classwork page to reorder topics and preview how students finish by posting a welcome announcement and schedule future posts so materials release on the right dates. Make sure your class settings reflect grading schemes and email notifications. Then monitor submissions in the student work stream and use the Grades tab to return work with comments or private feedback. If you're done for the term, archive the class to freeze changes. You can reuse it next year. Troubleshooting tip: if students don't see work, verify their account is added and that the class code or permissions match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.